Introduce features interest and fast overview of HaHoco Dashcam front and rear, 1080p Full HD dual dash camera in-car camera dashboard camera dashcam for cars. You can find wanted here, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Both front and rear cameras feature a 170 degrees ultra-wide-angle 7-layer all-glass lens that allows distortion-free monitoring of 6 lanes of traffic. No dead spots. With parking protection enabled, if any vibration is detected, the camera will wake up and start recording 30 seconds of video. For long-term parking, it is recommended to purchase a hardwire kit with a micro USB plug. It uses an advanced Starvis sensor with intelligent exposure adjustment to capture clear video footage in the dark. Latest news. Firmware upgrade kit on drop exposure available on request. Once the G sensor detects a collision, the recorded footage will be locked so that it will not be overwritten during loop recording. If you want to get full highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.